Hey everyone! Welcome back to our channel. If you've ever wondered who's sharing your Instagram posts, you're in the right place. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you exactly how to find out. It's super simple. First, open the Instagram app on your phone. Once you're on the home screen, tap your profile icon at the bottom right corner to go to your profile. Now, tap on the post you want to check. In the top right corner of that post, tap the three dots to open a menu of options. From there, tap on View Story Reshares. If your post has been reshared to anyone's public story, you'll see them listed here. To find out who exactly shared your post, just tap on one of the story reshares. At the top left, you'll see their username and profile picture. You can even tap their profile to view it directly. And that's it. That's how you can see who shared your post on Instagram. If this video helped you out, make sure to like the video, subscribe to our channel, and hit that notification bell so you never miss a tutorial. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.